Hello and welcome to ASP Runner and PHP Runner tutorials. In this demonstration, I will show you how to set up multiple drop-down boxes chained together. You will be able to reuse the same principle for any other business application. To illustrate the concept, let's take a look at the website of a small car dealership. We have an inventory of a dozen cars. Let's say we have a fresh trade coming in and we need to add it to our inventory. On the Add page, we have three dependent drop-down boxes: year of make, make, and the model, where make depends on the year and model depends on the make. For example, I can select a 2008 BMW M5 from the list, but I will not be able to select the same car from year 1999 simply because that car was not made that year. What that means is that the model of the car is uniquely defined by the combination of the year and make of the vehicle. I want you to really pay attention here. It is not just the make, but the combination of the year and make together that define the model of the vehicle. This key principle will be used in populating the drop-down boxes. So how exactly do we populate the values in these fields? Let's take a look at the lookup table that stores the year, make, and the model of the vehicles. As we said earlier, the make is dependent on the year, and the model is dependent on the combination of year and make. Since we don't have the year and the make stored in one column, we will create one. If you use Excel, you can write a quick formula to calculate the new field and then re-import your data back into the database. Your final table should look like this. Now that our lookup table is ready, let's set up the drop-downs in the program. Cars is our main table that stores the inventory of our dealership. Year, make, model is our lookup table used to populate the drop-downs. Let's set up our first drop-down, year. In the lookup wizard, I will select year, make, model as the lookup table. The link field, which provides the values from the lookup table, is called year. The same field will be used as the display field visible to the users. Now let's move on to the next field, make. Make is a drop-down that will depend on the year selected by the user. The values for make will also be coming from the same year, make, model lookup table. As we said earlier, we know that the field model, which will be taken care of next, is dependent on the year and make. Therefore, year make will be our link field. Then I will set the display field to make. Now let's set the field dependency. We know that the field make depends on the year. Therefore, I will set both the category control and the category field to year. If I test our setup, we will see that by selecting the year and the make of the vehicle, the value that we are storing in the table is the year make value, and not just the make. Once again, we are doing this because the field model is dependent on the year-make combination. Now let's set up the field model. First, using the same lookup table, I will set both the link field and the display field to model. Then I will define the dependency. I will set the category control, which is the field in our main table, to make. However, the category field, which stores the actual values in a lookup table, is the year make field. Now we are ready to build the project and take a look at our application. Once again, on the Add New Car page, we see three drop-down boxes representing the year, make, and the model of the vehicles.